Oh. So I'll just film this.
Some chips. Are you filming it now?
Yeah.
Oh, there's Jack.
Wait, Woodsy, Jack, is Dover doing a thing with everyone?
What took you so long?
How many is there?
I know, but lifesaver's like telling off.
So what's going on? What's happening?
I think they're like there. I'm dying out here.
Alright, there's 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, you got kicked off the slide. Nice one. They just got kicked off the slide. What do you think of that, Jackie?
That's just a disgrace. And it's so disrespectful to jump past the swimming pool. I'm joking, I don't care.
Do you get that?
Alright, well that's it.
You get it?
What's that, punting?
Did you get that? Doesn't matter.
No.
What's up?
And here comes James.
Early.
James, that was a messy slide you just did.
Wow. Yeah, Jimmy.
Hey Simon.
Yeah, cheers.
Hey Simon.
Oh, do I look good?
Yeah man.
No, not as good as me, mate. Not as good as me.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alex.
Nice one guys, you got kicked off the slide.
You fucked it up. Why would you fuck it? Tense.
Do the abs, bro.
Dude, if I was at the front of that, I could have held that whole thing.
Like, would you?
I'll just be like, plant my foot in.